excited to open this door to students and these marvelous opportunities in career and technical education.
This building is an investment in our future as a community. It's an investment in our Falcons. Some would say this is the finest CTE building on a high school campus in Utah.
The new spaces are more inspiring for students to work in. They're more like industry focused. We're trying to prepare students for their future, trying to help students leave here confident that they're ready to enter the workforce, to enter college successfully. And so here they come and learn all the skills they could ever want in high school and then leverage those into their future.
This is a space where young people are going to figure out who they want to become in a very practical, real sense. They're going to get practical skills and they're going to find out what they're capable of in this space.
In strong states, strong economies don't just happen. They require talented, educated, skilled people. And that's exactly what our schools and career and technical education produces.